These queues will go away because there was an industrial action by petroleum tanker drivers against their employers, the National Association of Road Transport Owners, around their compensation package. And those issues were not resolved up to yesterday until we intervened to ensure that there's an amicable settlement between the parties so that they will have peace, and then normal loading operations will commence from the depots. As I speak to you this moment now, loading has commenced in all depots in the country. Dispatches of trucks are ongoing in all depots in the country, and they have called off the strike for a period of 1 week so that enable us to intervene and find resolution. So there's really nothing fundamental that is happening now.
Few weeks ago, you mentioned that subsidy would set in no matter what we do. And just about yesterday, you said May there will be no increase in crude oil price. It looks like NNPC is stalling. What about subsidy? What's going to happen to that?
Subsidy is a policy matter. I'm sure you're aware of this. There are engagements going on within government to get the best framework for having a fully regulated PMS market. As this is going on, we're engaging all parties and all stakeholders as government, and to make sure that at the end of the day, there's an exit that is beneficial to the ordinary man. And that is why we know we will not be able to complete that in the month of May, and therefore we declared that there will be no increase in fuel price.
When is this exit?
I have no dates in hand now. This is beyond me, but we're engaging to make sure that we have the right timing.
As of today, I think the crude oil price is still climbing, and I believe we are seeing about $67 per barrel. How does that, given the fact that we're talking about subsidy, how does that impact on your pocket as a major importer?
It works both ways. Once prices increase, your revenue also increases. So I don't have any numbers around it, but I also know that your obligation to price of petroleum increases, your net revenue also increases. So there's a balancing fact that I don't think there's anything much to worry about.
I think it's okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.